Hello everyone, this is Anurag Mishra and welcome to Geetanandan Academy. Today we are going to be talking about the controversy surrounding the Akhand Bharat map in India's new parliament building. The Akhand Bharat map is a map of United India that includes present-day Pakistan, Bangladesh and Nepal. It is based on the map of the Mauryan Empire, which was one of the largest empires in the history. The Mauryan Empire was founded by the Chandragupta Maurya in 4th century BC and it reached its peak under his grandson Asoka the Great. The Akhand Bharat map has been displayed in the new parliament building since it was inaugurated in Feb 2023. However, it has only recently become a source of controversy. Pakistan has expressed anger over the map and it has called on India to remove it. There are a few reasons why Pakistan is angry about Akhand Bharat map. First, it is seen as a symbol of India's expansive ambition. Second, it is seen as a reminder of the partition of India in 1947, which created Pakistan and India as separate countries. Third, it is seen as a threat to Pakistan's sovereignty. India has defended the Akhand Bharat map, saying that it is simply a historical map. However, Pakistan has not been convinced and it has called on India to remove the map and it has warned that it would take further action if India doesn't comply. The controversy over the Akhand Bharat map is a reminder of the tension that exists between India and Pakistan. It is also a reminder of the complex history of the region. And in addition to of the region mentioned above, it is also worth noting that the Akhand Bharat map is seen by some Pakistan as a symbol of Hindu nationalism. This is because the map includes areas that are currently majority Muslim. As a result, the map is seen as a threat to religious identity of Pakistan. The controversy over the Akhand Bharat map is a complex issue with no easy answer. It is a reminder of the deep division that exists between India and Pakistan, and it is a reminder of the challenge that these two countries face in trying to build a peaceful and prosperous future. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe Geetanandan Academy for learning current affairs and more details on it.